Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to do Zach Lavine Stepback 2K25 only ways. Start by setting your controller sensitivity and stance to low drift for tight control and quick pulls. Begin with a jab to bait the defender, then perform a momentum dribble into a stepback by flicking the right stick diagonally away. Finish with a quick, high release and follow through to lock animation timing and boost green windows. Settle into a comfortable stance and focus on your footwork rhythm to make the stepback feel natural. Plant your lead foot firmly after the momentum dribble to sell the fake and force the defender off balance. As you step back, use a short hop to gain vertical separation while keeping shoulders square to preserve accuracy. Practice chaining jab, momentum, and step back until release timing becomes muscle memory for consistent mid-range finishes. Use precise controller inputs to make the only way step back reliable under pressure. Drive with the left stick to initiate momentum, then flick the right stick diagonally away from the defender to trigger the step back animation. Hold through the hop and release the shot at the peak for optimal green timing. Adjust right stick sensitivity, slightly lower if animations feel too twitchy, and practice against different defenders to adapt release rhythm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.